Hello, my name's Derek Senior. I got involved in the panel industry when my son asked me to join his business, Car Clips, back in 2019. We're still in the same business and we're absolutely enjoying helping the panel trade to streamline what happens on the panel shop floor. The neat thing is still seeing the pride of guys taking a crumpled mess and turning it into a beautiful finish. I dislike the needless animosity that sprung up between insurers and the panel beaters. I believe it can be fixed, and I also dislike the lack of labour, and I think there's ways to answer that as well. It's a hard question. I admire the ones that have been prepared to accept change and put some discipline in with their workforce, but encouraging the workforce at the same time. My first car was a Ford Anglia, which probably tells you how old I am. My current car is a VW Passat all-wheel drive, which I absolutely love. I wouldn't put it far off being my dream car.